Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mind Fashion Studio. Dear friends and subscribers, how are you? I hope you are fine. I hope well. Today I have many pairs for you. May Allah give you happiness and success. Today I will talk about most stylish and most demanding women collection, cross-stitch embroidery, different color, birds ideas. Dear friends, today I am going to showing very attractive handmade positive pattern ideas. This is very beautiful, elegant tarkashi and char suti embroidered design and pattern design. This is very beautiful and gorgeous cross stitch embroidery. I am a sister of this video. Gorgeous, stylish and elegant design of different colors birds. If you want to watch my videos, visit my YouTube channel. Want to more videos, visit to my YouTube channel and other videos. These costly designs are also available in the market on reasonable prices. You can also visit the market. These designs are very eye-catching, contrasting and fascinating style. Please friend, subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon. After pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notification of my videos and never miss my video collection of my channel, Mind Fashion Studio. If you like this video, to click the like button and share videos with friends, family members and social media accounts. So do not need to tell me in the comment section to help me how was my videos. Thanks for watching my video. See you again with different collection, design, style and color combination for you. Friends, I always try to bring useful ideas according to your choice. Friends, these cross-stitch embroidery, different color birds are very fantastic, most beautiful. Bundle of things. Take care, friend. Allah Hafiz.